Salam and hello everybody. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back and I thank for your love and for your prayers. I'm good. And today I have created this look. This is for a daytime makeup for Ramadan party, or you can go for iftar party or Eid day, daytime. But in this series I will be making another video for nighttime Eid party. So without further ado, let's start the makeup. First I clean my face with a Pixie toner, and then clean means just wipe off any residue or anything, and then with this one I'm gonna prime my face, and then I'm gonna use today the combination of these two. You guys know what it is, so shake it, shake it, shake it, and oops, why it's so hard to open? I love those golden particles, especially the places you feel that your skin is dry. Oops, oops, oops. And the second one is the purple one. That's so cute, the color, the shiner. And then you're gonna blend it like a mini facial you're gonna give yourself, okay? I look pretty now, right? Using the foundation, MAC foundation. This is Pro Longwear, and NC40 is my number if you guys want to know. I'm gonna take my foundation in this plate. It's called Eva Pearl foundation plate, and I'm gonna mix with little bit of oil, FARSALI oil, and use my beauty blender to apply it. So when you are applying the foundation, don't forget your neck, and it will look like you're wearing a mask, white mask. This is my contour zone. I have used the Maybelline Fit Me for my highlight zone, and Kat Von D. Let me show you guys. This one for my contour zone. As all of you guys know that I like to blend with that mini sponge blender, and the lighter part I will be using this one, and the darker part I'll be using my previous one. Okay, if you want you can screenshot my beautiful face. So this is I'm baking and using 407 and 438 from Morphe, these two brush, this one for my whole face and the Sharpie one for my underneath. Under eye I'm using the Mercier Brightening Eye Powder, and for full face I'm using Kat Von D Lock-It. So I'm gonna bake it for few seconds because I have a very excessive dry skin, but if you have an oily skin you can keep it until you do the eye makeup. It is your preference. So I have a very dry skin, so I'm gonna dust it off. So application with these two brush, but I'm dusting it off with my very favorite. It's R3 from Morphe. So it's very fluffy, soft, so I'm gonna clean it out. We have three palette in our hand today: Soft Glam, Modern Renaissance, and Self-Made. So let's see how many palette we will be using, because it's a very simple day Eid makeup, or you can use it as a iftar party makeup. I already put the soft ochre on my eyelids and put little bit of face powder. I don't do too much powder, then it's not tacky enough. So for my transition color I will be using this brush. I lost the number. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am using Sienna as far as my transition color, and using at this point the Soft Glam. This is a new palette came out. I love it. I'm going to create the whole eye makeup look very few minutes, and very simple, no cut crease, no glitter, nothing, because it's just a daytime, and we'll be doing one eye off the camera so that it's faster. I noticed that if it is very long, but you know I'm not a magician, I'm just a beautician, so it takes time to create two looks. So just to expedite that, we are gonna very closely showing you in the camera when my son edited, just to the one eye, and then other eye I will be doing so that it's faster. So I'm not pressing it too hard because this palette is a soft, she named it soft glam, it's true, but all her eyeshadows are very concentrated, so you don't want to push too hard until and unless you want to show off the color as far as a night makeup. So the palette already has a brush, it has two-sided. I'm going to use this side to highlight my underneath my eyebrows with glistening, if I'm saying it right. So this is just a simple makeup, as I said. So all over I have that sienna, and only on the top I have glistening. And now I'm gonna just a little bit highlight my eyeball area and think, yeah, I got it. I'm gonna do rose pink. And this technique, of course, everybody, not me only, everybody learned it from Tamanna Roshan, the world famous, my favorite makeup artist. She has taught us on her online class or on the seminars, like hold your eyebrows like that, press and slide. So that's the technique I'm gonna use. And for that, what brush I need? You can use your finger actually, but I think I'll be using the same brush from the palette. And rose pink. You're gonna just stretch your eyebrows a little bit and press and slide. See how nicely it shows. That's it. And then dab, 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 dab. You cannot go wrong with dab, 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 dab. And again, with the transition color, you just a little bit blend it so that it doesn't look out of places, or just in the middle, just to blend a little bit. So that's it. Same color. I did not take any extra color. I'm just doing the corner of my eye, the tear duct area. Now I'm gonna straight go to the eyeliner, or since I have a big eyes, I like to do a little bit of darker on the corner. You can skip that part if it is a day makeup, you don't want to go for a smoky or all that, just because my eyes are very puffy and big. So I think it looks better if I just a tiny bit, not like a smoky eye type, but just a tiny bit. And see, I put the color and then I'm gonna blend it again just to create a definition. Hardly you can see, but that's the way I do, even though I'm doing a day makeup. It just gives my eye a little shape, otherwise it looks like a cow's eye. Okay, so there is a tiny bit of, because her eyeshadows never has much fall out, but R36 brush from Morphe, I'm using it, as you can see, it's a little bit pointy, it's a cute brush. So I'm gonna just a little bit dust it out. So this is the powder from Sephora, it's a micro smoothing powder. I'm gonna take a little bit of powder in my brush and just try to smooth out the corner, the fallout or whatever. Okay, and now we are gonna go back to eyelining. Since it's a daytime, I don't want to put very dark black eyeliner, so but I'm gonna use the pencil, which is last seminar I attended in Tamanna's. In the goodie bag, by the way, the goodie bag is worth of more than $500. So in the class, in the goodie bag, she had given us few galactic product. So one of the pencil is this. It's a beautiful soft black. So I'm gonna use it as my eyeliner since it's a day makeup. So with this galactic pencil, this is the black one, I just did my eyeliner, pencil eyeliner, and little bit on the bottom also like this. And the same color I used on the middle part of my eyes, which is rose pinks. I took the Dose of Colors pencil brush. It's a very cute small brush, and I took that color and then do a little bit on my tear duct area just to have the rhythm, and that's it. And then when I finish this eye, I will be using the falsies and in front of cameras. But as far and then with the finger, you can always blend your kajal on the lower. And tight line also I did with the pencil. This pencil, no pencil, even MAC doesn't have any lead on their lipstick, and as you all guys know, eyeliner, it's very safe. But even for some reason, even MAC pencil, anything you say Christian Dior, Lancome, brand name, non-brand, if anything I put here in my inside eye, if I put any kind of pencil in my waterline, what happened? I tear all day. But this galactic pencil, thank you Tamanna, it did not make me tear at all. Okay, I finished the left eye also. Now I'm gonna show you guys my nose contouring, and using the same palette, Kat Von D, and Morphe E47 brush. I'm gonna just give a little bit of color on my face. So using the NC45 from MAC Studio Fix and using same jumbo brush, taking a little bit of the color, and remember the cream contouring I did on top of that, just wherever I need to not show too much. Okay, I'm going to highlight my nose and my cheeks with this palette. This is from Galactic. It's called Starlet palette, and I will be using Morphe I'm going to use Morphe R36 brush for that. I'm going to use the George for my nose contouring, and I am going to use the Lucy for my cheeks. I'm going to use the blusher from NARS Outlaw and using MAC 169 brush. I'm outlining my lip liner with an NYX soft spoken lip lining pencil. For lip, I'm going to use Galactic Cosmetics Vintage Rose liquid lipsticks. Okay guys, this is also from Tamanna's goodie bag. Thank you for watching this daytime Eid makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I am going to make another video for you guys, the night makeup for Eid. And until then, stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I love you all. Until next time. Mwah!